Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna get into some Born Pretty PR, but first I want to show you some new Zenni glasses that I got. Okay, so here they are right here. Transitions has partnered with Zenni and I'm super excited. I picked the purple, which is super gorgeous. I'm going to show you how they change. It came in super nice packaging, a really nice case. It's like leather material. It comes with the cleaning cloth, obviously, and it's all really nice quality. Even just the cardboard box that it came in, they came super protected. So these are the frames that I chose. They're just a clear. They are absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna do a quick try on really super fast, and then we're gonna walk outside and I'm gonna show you how the lenses transition, like I said. So this is them right there, and here we go. And they most definitely transition, so you should definitely go check out their site. Even if you don't want transition lenses, they have so many different styles, it's literally ridiculous. Yeah, so we have some Born Pretty PR to go through as well. This is the Fantasy Rose mixed 6-piece set right here. You can get this on Amazon, you can get it on their site, and I have to say these are absolutely perfect pink colors for fall. And this whole set I honestly think is one of the most cohesive sets I've gotten yet, and I am working on another set with these polishes, because I just feel like you can get so much use out of them. They're so pretty. I'm just quickly showing you them, and there's a cat eye, as you can see right here, which I was really excited about. I'm gonna just show you inside the bottles, and then I did the swatches off camera because I don't know, I feel like it's kind of a waste of time sometimes. But yeah, these pink colors are absolutely to die for. They're all pretty much warm toned pinks. Beautiful, perfect choices for fall. I most definitely recommend. I am never let down ever by Born Pretty's products. This pink, oh my god, I think that one might be this one is also like a top favorite. The last one I showed you and this is the most gorgeous shimmery pink that I've ever seen, I think, in my entire life. And they're so smooth, and some like glitter polishes can get kind of chunky and stuff, but no, these are perfect. I never have any rippling when carrying any of Born Pretty stuff. So here's the swatches right here. That's number 6. Number 1, perfect. Oh my god, I love these so much. There's the cat eye right there. That's number 5. So gorgeous. You can do so much with these colors. Number 4, so pretty. And what do we have left? Number 3. Look at that pink. It is so gorgeous. I can't even stand it. And then this full glitter one was number 2. And these are all just one coats. So imagine them built up. They're perfect. I am in love. So for the nail set, I decided to go with number 3 and number 4, which you see right there. And I'm just going to show you these again because I can't get enough. If you watch my videos, you know I am a pink lover, so I'm just in love. So 3 and 4 for the set, and here they all are. So we're just gonna jump right into it, and we're gonna get started on making a custom gel press-on set. I hope you enjoy. I'm outside doing this voiceover right now, so if you hear stuff, it's a little bit windy, so stuff is kind of blowing, but it's honestly quieter than my house. The reason I always do voiceovers is because we always have music on and I don't want to get monetized. And there you heard a truck passing by. These are just some medium square gel extensions from Temu, and I'm going to use some of these rose gold and clear like glimmery rocks. I've only used these ones before and they're super pretty. So this is a really simple set. Like I said, I feel like a lot of people are into more simple nails like this, so that's why I wanted to go for something like this. I did list these on my MERCARI if you're interested, but I'm gonna put up another video using these colors because I just can't get enough. One set is not enough. So I'm gonna do, I believe, 2 coats of this glittery pink on some of the nails, and then we're going to do a glitter ombre on the middle and I think pointer finger and ring finger. I don't remember, but you will see. It's really, really simple, super gorgeous, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you're still here listening to me, comment me down below any pink emojis you can find, so I know that you are here. And I'm still working hard trying to get monetized. It's harder than you may think if you don't make videos. But yeah, we'll most definitely get there. We're getting close, but I understand that it doesn't happen overnight, and I'm totally okay with that. So I hope that you guys have a really good Halloween. It's coming up in just a couple of days. Do you want to see another Halloween set? Like, super simple maybe, or maybe not super simple? Let me know. I did want to do Ghostface, but I didn't get around to doing it. But if you guys are interested, I will definitely still do that. I've been loving nail art like more than usual. Yeah, so I want to do something fun. If you want to see another Halloween video, that is, let me know. And I just want to say, these nail tips are like really a beautiful shape. Also, before I forget, I've placed like a small order on Shein for some nail supplies. I can't wait to show you what I got. It's nothing crazy. I just needed a couple of things because I've been doing some sets on some people, and I feel like medium almond is the most popular, and they're also my current favorite right now. So I got like 2 packs of some medium almond nails. I got a couple of charms and just some other little nail stuff, but I'll most definitely be filming the opening and stuff of that, so you can look forward to watching that. I know I love Temu and Shein nail hauls so much. Their prices, you literally can't beat them. It's crazy. But yeah. Also, I'll have my MERCARI linked down below. I have a bunch of stuff listed. I went through a lot of my nail stuff that I don't use, and I've listed a bunch of it, and they're really good prices. If you're interested, you could take a look. Just wanted to let you guys know that link is always down there, because I just honestly don't use polygel, and like, I have too much stuff. So I just kind of sorted through my drawers and listed a bunch of stuff. That's also where I have my press-ons listed. So if you want to see any of that, you can go check that out. And these nails are listed. So yeah, I know they're super simple, but they're really pretty. What else do I need to tell you guys? It's been a while. It has been a while. I've been, taking a little bit more time in between videos. Sometimes I feel like I run out of creative ideas. I don't know. And then I get on like a creative burst. But, I don't film all the press-on sets that I make. I probably should, but sometimes I just want to make them just for me, like, and not have to worry about like filming. And really, the filming is whatever. It's like the voiceover part. I feel like I run out of stuff to say all the time. But let me just explain what we're doing here. We are doing the glitter ombre, which is so easy. The brush is from Temu. Just put a little coat down on the cuticle area, and I'm just going to brush it up lightly with this brush right here. I feel like I always do like the ombres from the top, glitter at least, so I wanted to do something a little different. Let me know down below, what is your favorite nail shape right now? I really want to know. Like I said, I think medium almond is most people's favorite, which I totally can see why. I am definitely medium almond girl right now, and I've been really liking coffins, but I'm like totally done with stilettos. I don't know what happened. That was literally my favorite nail shape ever, but I'm not into it anymore. I don't know why. They're gorgeous, they are. I still think they look really pretty, but just, I don't know, on my hands, I'm just not feeling it. Oh, and an update on my nail biting. I have a different set of press-ons than you see my little messed up fingers in this video. I haven't bit my nails in like 3 days. I know that's like no time at all, but for me, that's pretty good. So I'm just going to continually keep these press-ons on, and I am not biting my nails. I've literally had it. I talk about it in every video. I need to break out of this little cycle here, because I do indeed break out of the nail biting cycle, but I've been kind of stuck on it for a while here, but it's going pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys if you left me a sweet comment about that in my last video. I appreciate you so much. You know who you are. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope that you enjoy the rest of this nail set. Please stick around to the end of the video so you can see them totally completed, because they're really cute.